Hello guys, let's go into chemistry. I see that some students are struggling with chapter 3 so far, so let's start from the beginning, right? Chapter 2 you learn about nuclear number. Nuclear number is just number of neutron plus proton, add them together. But in chapter 3 now we use the term RAM, alright, relative atomic mass, G-same atom relative, and also relative molecular mass, RMM and all that. So what are they? Honestly, they are the same thing, so don't worry. RAM is basically talking about the how heavy, alright, something is, an atom is, compared to 1/12 of a carbon-12. So carbon-12 is our standard. Let's say magnesium. Magnesium punya nuclear number is 24. He has 12 proton plus 12 neutrons. 12 proton, 12 neutrons, right? So add them all together, that's the RAM. That's very easy, don't worry about it. So carbon, hydrogen, helium, they have their RAM usually given to you in the question itself or in the periodic table. So don't worry about that. We will look at some sample of SPM question right now. Like look at this one.
I corrected a typo in this SPM question. So try it out lah, right? Anyway, the answer is 24 times 1/12 because if this magnesium is heavier than 1/12 of a carbon-12, so just multiply those numbers together and you get the number 24, which is C. But for fun, let's imagine that this was not the typo. It really is 24 times heavier than one carbon-12 atom. Then your answer would be 24 times 12. That is one very thick magnesium atom. Okay, you guys try this out first. In 3 seconds, I'll give you the answer. First, you must find the molar mass, or you can just say right, find the RMM of glucose C6H12O6. And you get the answer, 180. So out of A, B, C, D, right, we have to count each one of them. But you can see, they already gave you the RAM in the question itself. The answer is A because the total is only 128. Now, if you look at D, then 1 mole of water would be 18. You times 10, you get 180. So it's the same as 1 mole of glucose.
Okay, the next part is the Avogadro constant, which is a huge number, 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So why is it important? Why is this number here? When you have 1 mole of a substance, right, then it will have the same mass with the RAM or RMM. For example, 1 mole of carbon-12 will be 12 grams. 1 mole of helium will be 4 grams. And then 1 mole of water. Just now we studied H2O, 18, right? So it will be 18 grams. The unit in this case would be gram per mole. As in, if I have 1 mole of this, I will have how many grams of that?
Okay, let's try out this question. How many moles are there in 72 grams of magnesium given that the RAM is 24? So here's the explanation. First, you need to find the molar mass, which is also 24 grams per mole. We have 72 grams in total. So take this 72, divide by 24 grams per mole, and you will get the value of 3 moles.
So the last part before I leave is I'm going to ask you this question. We can answer this in class or in the next video. If I have 36 grams of water, how many particles are there? And how many atoms of hydrogen are there? That's the question. We discuss in class. That's it for now. Happy holidays. I'll see you guys after that. Bye-bye.